Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Binance Web3 coin. First, ensure you have a verified Binance account. Then, locate the Web3 wallet section within the app or website. This wallet is your gateway to decentralized applications and various Web3 assets. We'll cover funding it and making your initial purchase smoothly. It's simpler than you might think to get started. To begin, make sure your Binance account is fully set up and verified. Next, find the Web3 wallet option, usually accessible from your main Binance dashboard. You will be guided through a few simple steps to create your new wallet. Remember, securing your recovery phrase is crucial. Write it down and store it safely, as it's the only way to regain access if needed. Once your Web3 wallet is ready, you'll need to fund it. Deposit cryptocurrency or fiat currency into your main Binance account, then transfer it to your Web3 wallet. After funding, you can explore the wide range of Web3 coins available directly within the wallet interface. Always take time to research any coin thoroughly before deciding to invest your funds. Now for the exciting part, making your first purchase. Choose the Web3 coin you wish to buy from the available list. Enter the amount you want to spend or the quantity of the coin you want to acquire. Carefully review all the transaction details, including any fees, before confirming. Once confirmed, your new Web3 coins will appear in your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.